Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss this interesting problem. So it says in a rotating body, A is equal to alpha into R and V is equal to omega into R. Thus A upon alpha will be V upon omega. Fine. Can you use the theorems of ratio and proportion studied in algebra as to write A plus alpha upon A minus alpha, that should be equal to V plus omega upon V minus omega. Fine. So see, if we have A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we can always write A minus B upon A plus B, that should be equal to C minus D means upon C plus D, right? इस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं, that is componendo and dividendo. But for this case, if you are talking in terms of magnitude, this will be fine. Means this is the magnitude of acceleration, this is the magnitude of angular acceleration, right? This is fine in terms of magnitude, but not for the dimension. Dimensionally this equation will be not correct, because dimension of acceleration will be simply meter per second square, whereas the dimension of alpha will be radian per second square, right? So dimensionally it is incorrect, but you can use this equation in terms of magnitude. If you just take the magnitude of velocity and magnitude of angular velocity, right, then it is correct. But for this, to answer this question, I will say we cannot write this equation. By the way, इसे हम derive किस तरह से करते हैं? A upon B is equal to C upon D, right? So दोनों साइड हम वन ऐड करते हैं. So आप देखो A upon B just like A upon alpha में आप वन ऐड नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वन इज अ डायमेंशनलेस क्वांटिटी एंड A upon अल्फा का यूनिट कितना होगा? दैट विल बी मीटर, राइट? सो यू कैन से कि A upon B अगर एक डायमेंशन लेस क्वांटिटी आती है, देन दिस कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो रूल इज परफेक्टली फाइन. अदरवाइज वी कैन जस्ट यूज द मैग्नीट्यूड, राइट? Anyway, so I think you have understood. Let me know if you still have any confusion, we can discuss further. Okay guys, keep working hard. Best of luck. Bye.